Hey, it's your favorite bearded YouTuber, John Schaefer. So how are y'all doing today? I hope good, because I am. Well, I made that one video telling you I'd show you my truck. It's been probably a couple weeks since that video. I didn't get to show you guys my truck because every time I tried making the video, I got interrupted. So I'm going to try that today. Well, I have a 1998 Ford Ranger XLT. It's been in a couple accidents, and there's going to be some stuff that needs fixed and changed out on it. So we're going to take a look at all that today. Well, the first thing is, I need to get me some new airbags put in here. Because with the accident, it totaled the truck. And when a truck is totaled, or a vehicle in general, it's either because the airbags came out or your driver's door is smashed. Well, in this one, the airbags had popped out of here and the dash console right over here. So I'm going to be getting some new airbags for it. Well, the second thing is I'm going to buy me a new radio and install it. The reason being, I was taking it out one day because it stopped working. There's a piece over here where it screws in. Well, the plastic ended up broken, so the screw don't do much good in holding it on there. So I had to tape it up to keep it together so it'll work. So I'm going to be changing that out. Well, let's go to outside the truck and take a look now. Well, on the outside of the truck, it's going to be mainly body work. I got a big dent right there that I need to have popped out. Color difference, that's going to be changed. I got a small dent right here that's going to be popped out. Hood don't line up right there. I got the big dent inside the hood right there. This fender, I'm thinking about just changing it. Well, the last time I tried making a video a couple weeks ago, it just had a big dent right here. Well, I guess I was sideswiped lately, and it just pushed in the rest of it. So I'm going to look at changing that. And the hood don't line up here either. We're on my tailgate. It's kind of bowed out right here. So that'll have to be fixed on it. And if you notice, right here, it don't line up straight. It's not aligned with the cab right there. But this side, it is. So I'll explain that in a second. I have this right here and this right here. Those two dents that need to be fixed. Now, if I take a little step back, you might notice it's crooked a little bit. Well, I had a friend saying the axle looked bent, but I also talked to someone else who told me that with the dents in it and how the bed is aligned with the cab, it looks like someone actually dropped something on this side of it, which caused the bed to pull over to this side. So he was saying we could either take it and have it pushed back over, lift it up and push it over, or just put a whole new side on this side. which I think that's what we're going to do. Now, let's pop the hood, and I'll show you under the hood. So here is under the hood. It's a 4-cylinder automatic Ford Ranger 98. It has 8 spark plugs. If you can see right there, there's the spark wires on top of the coil packs. But it has 8 spark plugs, and from what I've been told, it's something that Ford had tried out to make better fuel mileage, which is understandable. But it has a I'll think of it in a second. Let's start it up though. Now there's a speedometer, the other gauges, the fuel, how hot it gets, oil, temp, or battery. That's a temperature gauge, not how hot it gets. It works the same way. It's the same thing. Now, over winter, I noticed this. It's not heating up like it should be, which would be the thermostat. So I am going to be changing the thermostat out. And driving down the road, it's rough. It has a misfire in it, is what I was trying to say earlier. But that misfire, I think it's from one of the spark plugs, because we've changed this, or it's from the wires. We've changed the spark plugs and that hasn't changed it. But I think it's either the wires or the coil packs. Now I don't know if you can notice, but the motor is shaking a little bit. And it's from the motor mounts not being good like they should be. So yeah, the hood shakes too. So yeah. But, like I said, it has some work that needs to be done, and I'm going to do it on this channel. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys later.